Hiya, I'm Claire from Golborne in Bloom. We began Golborne in Bloom in 2016. Basically, we felt that more needed to be done for the town. It was looking a bit of a mess. And bit by bit, we built our team with the help of Whig Council. And as you can see, we've got our members here working today. There's Alan, Moira, and Billy this morning, Saturday morning. At the moment, we're working on it's called locally Mill Drain. It's at the side of Liddell, and it's the heritage trail that was made in the year 2000. We decided to choose this piece of land because it was well used by locals, but was a real mess, and we could see the potential in its future and what we could do for it. We've been really chuffed a bit to have Hedges Direct donate plants to us so that we can enhance the area. And as you can probably see, it's looking great already. The plants that have been given to us by Hedges Direct, so I can't thank them enough. We started around the Golborne Library area and tidied that up, painted fences and tidied as well. And then as the years went by, each year we'd add an extra project. So we went on to Napier Gardens, we did Peter Payne Square, we did Tanner's Bankside, which was a massive project. This year we decided, right, we're going to branch out, and as you can see, we've done the heritage, well, we're halfway through the heritage trail, and we'll see where this takes us.